Hi friends, I am Chandan. Welcome my YouTube channel A to Z Knowledge. Today videos I will talking about different types of gear, advantage, disadvantage, application. So let's go to the video. First, super gear. The teeth of super gear are parallelly two axes of the gear. This gear pair is used to transmit power and motion between two parallel shafts. Talking about gear ratio is number of teeth on driven gear by number of teeth on driver gear. Generally, gear ratio as per gear 1:1 to 6:1. Advantage: super gear is simple in construction. It is easy to manufacture. It has low cost and excellent precision rating. Disadvantage: you can transmit power between two shafts. Their center distance to shafts is large. Then we must go for belt drive. Super gear produce lot of noise at high speed as the teeth perfectly straight, so it is undergoes large amount of stress. Application: super gear use on clock and wash. In household application like washing machine, super gear is used increase or decrease torque. Gear pumps to pressurize those, and as we have discussed, it can be used in motorcycle gearbox. Second is helical gear or inclined to axis, then it is known as helical gear. This gear used to transmit power and motion between two parallel shafts. We have discussed this gear pair also. Gear ratio of helical gear is 1:1 to 6:1. Let's see advantage of helical gear. It has higher load carrying capacity. Helical gear operates smooth and quieter than other gear. Wear and tear of helical gear is less due to constant machine velocity is constant output. Disadvantage: it is costlier than super gear. Helical angle introduce axial thrusts on, so thrust bearing is required. There is power loss due to the axial thrust, and this thrust generate heat. Application of helical gear: helical gears are used in automobile gearbox. These gears are used in fertilizer industry, printing industry, plastic industry, and food industry. Herringbone gear. Herringbone gear is nothing but double helical gear. This gear pair is also used to transmit power and motion between two parallel shafts. Herringbone gear has opposite helical teeth. Gear ratio of herringbone gear is 10:1. Advantage of herringbone gear: two axial force will nullify each other and shaft is free from axial force. Due to double helical, power transmission capacity is high. Disadvantage of herringbone gear: due to double helical, manufacturing cost is more than helical gear. Bringing of thrust force depending upon equal distribution of load. Next, drag and pinion. Drag is assessment of gear with infinity diameter. The teeth are as per helical, that is, teeth are parallel including to the axis of pinion. This gear pair is used to convert rotary motion pinion into reciprocating motion of rack, or reciprocating motion rack into rotary motion pinion. Let's advantage of rack and pinion gear. It is easiest way to convert rotary motion into reciprocating motion. This gear pair compact inside. It is cheaper. Bevel gear. Bevel gear is used to transmit power and motion between two intersecting shafts by changing gear arm and arm wheel. This gear pair is constant of arm, which is we can transmit power and motion between two smaller two screw, and arm wheel. This gear pair used to transmit power and motion between non-parallel angle and non-parallel intersecting shaft. This gear ratio is 20:1. Advantage of arm and arm wheel shaft: it is higher reduction ratio 8:400. This gear is features there is no separating force between arm and arm wheel. Mechanism is very effective. It can be used to reduce speed and torque. Disadvantage: this gear pair produce heat and contact point. Efficiency of this gear is low. Manufacturing cost is more as per compared to bevel gear. Straining mechanism in automobile it has high power losses. Application: there is conveyors, arm and arm wheel used in press it is use lift. This is all about of all types of gear. Here I end this video. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.